Jesus Christ. Big buggers. Hey. It's a nice fish. Come on, guy. Jesus. How big is that thing? Oh. Well, last day of fishing, and I hooked into, I don't know how big it is, but I saw it once. Good slab of meat, Basil. See, when Basil is not here, I seem to catch big fish. Stay away from me. Got this one on a real sinking tip and a gomphus, a Goas gomphus. Jesus Christ, been fighting this for about 10 minutes now, and he's just not ready. No way, Jose, he said. No, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. He was coming up. Jesus Christ, he's a strong fish. No way, he's not gonna come up. Oh well, gotta keep playing it. Holy gee, it's heavy. Come on, big fella. Come on. There he is. Finally can see some whites there. Come on. Oh. Holy crap. He's a big fish. Yeah. Here he goes again. Oh, come on, stay up, stay up, stay. Ah. Look at that son of a gun. That's a big fish. Jesus Lord, he's strong. Not ready to come up. Jesus. You son of a gun. Holy crap. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Come on, big fella. Come on. Get the net. I'm gonna turn that off before he dies on me.